Makwaba eba Osno TV so na ye kasafa eye Mahama Green Book ene sebi atrosem a ewom na yeso ye chechire no kresto a ewo science nseminim do be ka se na Green Book ya 2016 Mahama elusuputo wi ana moda so eka ho asemi de ntia Green Book na ho ahia se 2020 yes I can Green Book no asem bio na ye kire entro ne na da asem obu Green Book no ene se ye be hwa nansen na nado okobie eye temamoto we itachenyi no NDC for mabunu bi de bebrebe Ghana se na nado emfa credit ema John Mahama fite John Mahama ene share negotiation ase ansana akufo de ba beto so adipo get na day aba and therefore yemfa credit emano enna ye busa se Green Book ni mu no en sama hodo a ewom enya Mahama na ehya ase nanso wonde wo so na ehya ase akufo adokwa de wanka so na ehya ase o kire bi ehya ase akwa akufo pesika to ho be si se de beduro na maniti fo se fa credit nyina emomo na mo de Green Book ni mu no ye hwemu a project ahodo a eye previous government and the shase government and the ye nyina no what twere ewo mu say eye wona wo ye without giving credit to anybody at all sa entro na da so no Green Book no and na Osno TV ye pese ye dey ye expose Magana fo hu NDC eye party a omo ya trofo party a ye do ho to no so a se be Ghana fo ye be ya ka se be die ho ehwehwamo ndisi ye to so a na ye call Green Book no ye call claim 7 no ye be hu no page 74 and page 75 na hono the matcheni say o ma lese certain power plants bia eye o mo che say eye John Mahama and the day sa power plants near dey e baaye na so tendency fo ai so MPP fo mo betina ban mu e dey na ma ya fa anyina sam anyina mkania sam munya hwe munya bibia e na mo di twa Ghana mo di twa MPP fo mpoa na de mo kan mo betima sa twa mo Green Book no ene ni ye be hwe said you must mo kan no no kre wom anase no kre bia ngede enim na Green Book no ma ka say eye pon tema power plant Mahama project the T2 power plant Mahama project Sonon Asogli phase 2 must Mahama project TTP plant must Mahama project na ene eye Osno TV the person Magana phone na hu say sa ne ma nditi faka Green Book say Mahama project no kre bia enim na no kra ewo mu ni say sa project ma boso nyina no aya afi 2007 oko kind budget statement MPP aban and the President Kufuor parliament here you will see these projects listed as project President Kufuor or Shasia or ye na no kra esa wo mu ni say aya 2009 at Mills about power and with NDC no omo first budget statement we dey omo yade they say sabe open kodo no in America we dey omo yade omo the credit they wrote it and gave the credit accordingly to President Kufuor na obi a mo budget statement 2009 mo the credit am President Kufuor and ne 2016 any nyina mo da so ka say Mahama project na okay 2009 budget statement page 405 to 408 Sansoma make nyina obehu ho na senya be ya Ghana for bonus asoma ya kan no kra ne sie 2 million ya dey ya kiresie mo me mere kakara me nkan kakra bi na mo hu na mo aso peme na mo internet ne so na mo ko pe Ghana 2009 budget statement na mo kan paragraphs 405 to paragraph 408 mo bu ne make o kan paragraph 405 say Madam Speaker, as part of measures to address the power crisis in 2007, government supported the expansion of power generating capacity. These are 126 megawatt emergency power plants currently on standby after the power crisis. It means that by the time MPP free so no near 126 megawatt of energy standby and near you so because the power crisis na dey you free. It's someone be free so no. Now you have excess power. That one kind of where say mo to between na muntie. Say me trust be wa paragraph 405 na asa say there was also 80 megawatt power plant by a consortium of mining companies. Ni nyina under President Kufuor shall say 2007 NDC 2009 budget statement. I give credit to Kufuor and ne your mama say a no project. Okay, paragraph 406 I say, Madam Speaker, a number of power projects were also initiated as medium-term strategies and fully funded by government and VRA. I say these were 126 megawatt thermal power project, that is TTP, TT1 PP. 49.5 megawatt thermal 2 power plants, that is TTPP, TT2 PP. Engineering, procurement and construction of gas turbine generators and balance of plant for the 230 megawatt POM thermal project were also in progress. All these began in 2007. 2009 NDC4 budget statement. I give you credit accordingly. Now may trust what I hear okay paragraph 407 or say a lease agreement with Vulcan Energy Ghana Limited to refurbish, commission and commercially operate the 125 megawatt Osage Power Barge. The construction was signed in 2007 and Vulcan was to complete the project in 90 working days. 90 working days. The project was signed. They were supposed to everything was signed and Vulcan was supposed to complete the project in 90 working days and further expand the plant by additional 60 megawatt subsequently. In the then and now some project we na Mahama say you no and now OSHA 2009 budget statement number they provided an outlook. I say outlook for 2009, that is paragraph 420. I say, Madam Speaker, VRA's 126 megawatt thermal power plant will be completed and commissioned in the first quarter of 2009. Mutini year. That was 2009 December for. And this project we na Kufuor ayat one that. Ani wo Kufuor fis no. The truth ne say according to NDC Omankasa budget statement say ne wo excess power. It yet then NDC and Jomama pencil. Ghana ko do so mo a ne nya makane mpo na ye dia dampo te Ghana for NDC for a twan tro say MPP ba ye nyinam kan nyinam ahode ho ya anya hwe ya fa 1 megawatt kran kan ho a mo so mo hu e da mase
na ye to aso no ye demo ewra the green book page 100 and 101 eho ye be hu Kwame Nkrumah Circle interchange. The picture of it now omubuso constructed. Inte eno Mahama take claim yede ni claim no yede ebemano because that is his own Dubai interchange. Na ehono o mention say the NDC also mentioned Tetekwashi interchange as Mohammed a project. And you cannot you know I want to say Tetekwashi interchange Kufuor. This one of a year, the kind of one of the major interchanger, and the drivers were getting lost and they were doing all this advert on TV when we were growing. We saw this. How could Mahama claim this? Na yehwe edienti a eye etro. I will read something. The Tetekwashi interchange is a cloverleaf interchange carrying a 6-lane motorway that links the Liberation Road from 37 Military Hospital to Pantan Junction through Medina in Accra, Ghana. The interchange was commissioned for vehicular use on 27th February 2005. By then, President of Ghana, John Agyekum Kufuor. 2005. I think 2005 now President Kufuor now were beating President Mills again the second time in his second term. And this project was commissioned for vehicular use. How can it appear in Sir Obaye and Obeye Bibi Atwaswa? You can state it in that way, but claiming say it is your project, it is the fantasy that President Akufo-Addo talked about when he went to commission Tema interchange, and that is what NPP has been talking about. Abanye ebiba na ebiko oba na project oha na watu aso te say Mahama eye campaign say Nanado entwa a project ebisono, and we all remember say the shortcutting for the project was done by Kufuor in 2003 until the 2 years. Kufuor the 2 years and a year sir I think say when they were going to 2004, Mills was saying say Kufuor a campaign. It was a campaign a project. There are audios and the newspaper a publication about all these things, and a contractor was Sonitra. So Mahama claiming in the Green Book that it is his project, it is his vision that Tetekwashie interchange was constructed is another lie that is being exposed on Osno TV.
In fact, transportation history.
Yeah.
It's a website.
Yeah.
You see that this interchange has been reported there.
It is all there.
Yes, and one was at Mahama, because NDC for they are thrown at that day. Now, me transfer me call claim 9. Now, claim 9, NDC once again, characteristically have mentioned Sofola interchange. Say no say Mahama project. Because I won't do one piece of tiasie. Say dear Palitim Benepetrim no to say Sofola interchange Mahama project. I'll go page 112 of the Green Book. And so you draw Kassia Mahama and then NDC or Medi Achegana for. Now, no cry woman say, yet it's still too near Chelsea. As far back as so moons are someone. Go to Modern Ghana. Go and read the 4th June edition 2011 of Modern Ghana report. A weird link in the Betuasie. Na mu nyina mahwe mo say asem de eka no kretulu asem na enye sewe na go hwisem na wo kan sa Morning Ghana report amachum say construction of the Sofola interchange project, which was started in 2007 during Escofor's regime, has come to a halt as a result of lack of funds. Just the moka nyina say Sofola interchange in 2007 Akufo Shase, but at 2011 the project in it has come to a halt. It has come to a halt. You more can say it was because in 2011 there was lack of funds. The project was supposed to cost about $80 million to finish the project. Say Sikano, said this for buy so Moody Sikano, someone whether they misapplied the funds, whether they embezzled the funds, nobody knows. A Juma si Kofuabe musika ato ho si afanye me project no enya nwie so sisi ka musika ide asa we da asi yeso no story bi anan no ka che wo se ayi o se hwe ho ese o se enkoto to brebro mra o se ejadum brebro no so a ahye so obi a Kofuo he pesika to ho $80 million ato ho se yemfanye Sofola interchange aya sha ase 2011 Mochi Sikanasa to project no yajai Mojato ho enne John Mahama say the project the Ghana for sabe obi da ko hwe say ya na wodwu ho aya na minia wo ntiase wo tiase so bia na kese wa nwe ho unia wo de heto so enko next claim no dia and this vote dia ke say amonsam no sabe time
na ye to aso na ye claim number 10 ye free acquiring, so you call another building. The NDC has listed the law court complex for the judiciary as Mohammed's project. Konana, to say on their first page they have said that all that is in this green book is based on the 2012 manifesto. By that time, Mills wasn't in the scene. Na ewewu nyame mfa ne kra ensie and what I can say Mahama bedi ade na as a matter of urgency and na what dia ho prepare year niema bi ntentententem and na also I can say niema na wo green book no na eye Mahama ne den ni vision na yenhwe se sa court dan eye big power efe enye efe pa nieko the green book page 158 Hona Mahama claim say any project na enya Mahama a project o man payini dada atamels a project ono any boss na edu time bia me wan say NPP etimi a campaign ewo o man payini dada for a project. Now, why couldn't NDC do the same thing and then they attributed every success, every project to Mahama? Not just say President Mills there wa more brow. President Mills anya bibia, but this court a complex building a Warcraft no. And no, a Mills a project. Now, me person me kind be kakra from my join online. Or say the Chief Justice, Mrs. Justice Georgina Theodora Wood said, for instance, that the late President Mills was instrumental in impressing on the Social Security and National Insurance Trust (SNIT) to release money for the 50 million court complex project in Accra for the Judicial Council and had cut the sword for the start of the project. This is 31st July 2012. My Joy Online. A year then na 2016 election Green Book Mahama claim say a project. If they had said it is NDC's project, that is fair enough, but Mahama wanted to win the election by all means, you know. They'll say, "Oh, Clemo Bibi Mano, man, where your friend or matrical politics." But this time, you know, we analyze things. Thank God that Ghana politics is shifting towards issue-based, and that is what we are doing here. Ghanaian Chronicle. So I can say, President John Evans Atta Mills on Tuesday cut the sword for work to commence on a 34-court room complex in Accra, with the assurance that government will continue to support the judiciary to operate in peace. Source, The Chronicle. A link na good a presentation here as not a TF for so President Mills' vision, President Mills provided the funds through SNIT to build that court, and it was never Mohammed's vision. And before the launch of 2012 NDC's manifesto, this building existed. Many are young cousin.
Many are say a twaswa as we can see, me name the pa say what the Kuntia MPP for say Abambi ba to say Kufuado I was we 2000 election or was I winning. So 2024 Kufuado nyado boko nipa bi before the Nebakono. We are going to campaign on the success of Kufuado.
Yes.
And we are not ashamed of it.
Yes.
But I think one was say John Mahama o boss or no be vice president ni project on no ahia ase na what wo with na de ka anya hwe no ka fani die ma papa yi so say papa no wona ahia ase na me dey me to aso
these things, you know. A mat kwakwa you don't want to bufu pao.
Oh yes.
A mat ni bufu pa.
Me just say some of can na because go no exam say one is party bomb some party ni bio. So na area ho say enema ho do president miss e sha ase kakra bon timi ye no. Papa no obi kan na we oluma do little. But kakra no timi ye so no. E ho ka so mo mfama no. And the finance mfama no. And wo hwe o green book no ma hwe page 164 and 165 wa. O ma twere ho say a Minister of Foreign Affairs and Regional Development and Regional Integration Office Complex no and see a Mahama project. Na yebeka ya year 2009 October 22nd in the TSA Minister of Foreign Affairs omo down no eja ayede atom. So ni ja to mo no omo free woro na ye mo omo space that na Atamesis na president the early stage of Atamesis administration and the omo space ewo Jubilee House say omunyusu as office space for foreign affairs in the basa na president me say na say okay say ya bane there o say o hwe na otiminya office complex Emma Minister of Foreign Affairs in 2011 and na omukate sword to begin the construction of the foreign affairs office complex. Ana John Mahama, una vice president. Na okay September 2nd. GNA Emma report to be na the link so ebeto ase with ma hwe na ma hwe. Se ye boa we the otofo was medazin wa bochire. 2011 September 2nd. GNA report na say Vice President John Dramani Mahama on Friday cut the sword for the construction of an office complex for the Ministry of Foreign Affairs and Regional Integration, during which he commended the Chinese government for its tremendous support. So project year 2011, now you're vice president. You were not even a candidate. In 2012, 2016, using that project for campaign and saying it was your vision and when this was done. Like I said, Sabio, maybe there, one may view one year is any body is 1 year, Miss Anne. And Nuntino, some Miss project to crown Muhammad Jaffa, they are. I go for the project now and 1 year. So, it began for send this for no, only the day. They did a green book wa. Green book na e mo mulusu 1 million votes no. Omne say green book na say politics. Na Ghana for I think say you are tired of them. And this noise, this deceit omudi omoye no. Ghana for we have to punish them by giving them 2 million vote deficit. E ba sa ene mo come on otum. Ene mo ja atro ne di. No mu di atro ne so mo so dia abribi am di atro. So di atro ne punishna. I say one by TV. So ubadi atro no atro di e no. Enya da gbeso so. No watwena so. Okena so de mo odin a. Na say wo twa ntro on behwe. Di Ghana for mo ma yantwi NDC fo aso. E wo ntro na da. Omadi 2016 no mo support ho. Na still umbise santo na da no. Umadi Ghana for onse any mo onse your mama ka sembi. Osi Ghana for your friend said short memory. It Mahama feel say after the year 2016 no you refi. So he can tell us the same thing today and this time we will believe it. It's strange. Now I'm beginning to Ghana for me just say it was that short memory no. Yes so at the ever chair the incompetence of Mohammed administration no, they are going to continue to expose Mahama for who he is. We're going to expose the NDC for who they are. When you're waiting to also claim 12 no.
Claim 12, the last but not the least. Minia Edikanka energy Hwasam Ekakra fine. Now claim 12 is also on energy. Also the NDC has mentioned Atuabo gas processing plant as Mahame's project. You call Green Book now. You be on page 76. Now you share gas a project here. Emra o my penny dada ehu oil ah na yɛ de ba government ɔmo say ɛyɛ adwengo no na ɔman panyini dada n'ani so ɔde hunu ne plan nyinaa sɛ yɛtu oil no gas so be free mu aba enti ɛho contract ne bibiara no ɔne Cosmos ɛne ne Ghanaian a partner EO Group ɛyɛ ho hyehyɛ nyinaa sɛ when we start producing oil, the gas will also come to power other plants to give us energy. Now, NDC about power in 2009, they thought to say, this guy is a Kofo's man, and he had some percentage in that because or no, and a Cosmos Group buy into Cosmos for share. Not this man. I think he had about 3%. He was arguing for 15% from Cosmos share, not from Ghana's share. Into NDC for any break, so they brought a corruption allegation onto this man and pressured Cosmos to fire their Ghanaian partner. Now, yabe. Ready ayi ekakra ha nti sa Cosmos project here kofo ehya ena mills etwaso. The NPP administration led by President Kofo made all necessary plans to construct the Atuabo gas plant before the NPP lost in 2008. Now sa project we na it was a three-way project that was going to be done in only 2 years. It's in 2010. And Kakofo the button no man nanado nanado betwa so and 2010 na awie. And this a project no, it was with offshore pipe, onshore pipe, and the plant itself all to be constructed at the same time. Into year 2 oil no na a gas and also airflow. The production of the gas was supposed to commence simultaneously with the oil production. And NDC by NDC scrapped the plans of former government and took another 3 years of infighting. 2010 and I'm taking another 3 years to fight because this EO Group also didn't let it go like that. So they were infighting, and finally initiated the new and a far expensive NDC for they are nation records. They started a more expensive project, and then they chose a different site for it. So the delay has cost the nation an additional $1.3 billion US.
Wow.
Sir, a delay in May 2014, Kofi Ellis, Director of Planning and Business Development of Volta River Authority, disclosed to the media that VRA spends about $50 million US every 18 days to import crude oil to power its thermal plants, and that only half of that will have been needed to buy natural gas to generate the same amount of power. Look, NDC came to delay it for 3 good years, and Ghana needed all this money. And remember, Dunso Ebayano, Baromia keep telling the nation, say, we have enough power source, but the problem was a financial one.
Yeah.
Due to this recklessness, Ghana has lost 25 million every 18 days since 2010. Anka initial project anka ebeye ready no. Due to the late takeoff and completion of the project. Anka Mahama ede enadwene esi we so anasa NDC ma Mills Mahama ede enadwene so complete the ekofo eye na enka Ghana ammo ekasa and na nsusanso a ɛde baeɛ no ɛne dumso a yɛfɛɛ mu no. So they created dumso,
of course,
and they delayed in fixing it. And upon all scale no, they diverted money to do a confirm, to do bus branding, but they didn't use the money in that, and then they were waiting for the deals that they could benefit from. Then the car power and all the others, you know. So what delay project na later then you come to claim a credit of it, and then you have been exposed, and you call Ghana Weber hosting Adoye Emma the full details of that. Now yedi area no, you say most of the Green Book projects were at various stages. So any name no omo the say achievement. And now you kai okujato the presentation now was called NPP a manifesto no. Say Bawumia scored himself at 78%, and some of the project was delivering plus delivered. Yet NPP abai Yatimia Kasa is delivered and delivering. Now, most of my projects are Green Book at various stages of completion. At various stages of completion, isn't it the same as delivering? So, if a project that is at various stages of completion is your achievement, why can't Bawumia also use delivering as his achievement? How can you play that a double standard, sir? Green Book 12 claims has been exposed now, and therefore from so we will expose more. Yeah, and I say Emma PNA media also say. Yeah, that was it.